Hey guys, so a quick video today. So I got these two Broadlink light switches. So one is a 1 gang switch and second is a 2 gang switch. So the difference is basically the amount of switches you have on your light switch. So the 1 gang has just one button and 2 gang switches have two. So to install this you just need the live terminal. No neutral terminal is required. So basically you just take your old wall switch and mount the new one, and everything should work fine. And then just the configuration with the application. So what's in the box? You get, of course, the light switch, you get some mounting screws. For my house installation, those screws are too big, so I had to buy smaller ones. And you get something called LED adapter. I have actually no idea what this is used for. They say that use it if your lights are blinking, shimmering, I don't know. Basically I installed those switches in my house and I didn't need this, so no problem with that. Oh, and well, you get the user guide which says actually nothing about those this LED adapter. So as the manual says, you get the live wire and you mount the wires to your light bulbs. Okay, so first thing about working with electricity, go to your breaker board, and in there you have your main power switches. Remember, don't work with electricity if you have power running in your installation. So let me switch off the lights. Okay, so that was the main light switch. So now I'm taking the light switch and let's see how it goes. What is often helpful, remember to bring something like a pry tool so you won't damage your old outlets. Okay, so we have an old power outlet. So what we need to do is to disconnect it. So this is where this pry tool comes in handy. Okay, first off. Now the second one. Usually it's a lot easier. Now we can check if we have any current running. So there is no light, there is no light, and there is no light. So we have no current running. Also here we have this plastic panel. This also should come off. Yeah, like so. Now we are presented with the outlet. So let's take it out. Unscrew. And it's out. Okay, so now the important thing, look how everything is connected. If for some reason you don't succeed, you can always go back to the old way. How was it? Okay, so now I'm screwing out the old wires. The black one is on the left. Okay, so this is the old power outlet. I mean, this is the old light switch. So now the Broadlink switch. You have these plastic holes, so get your prying tool. Okay, so I got this out. So now, just to be safe, I'm checking the wires again, because now I actually have to touch them. Okay, so let's go. L is the live wire. Okay, so I'm now unscrewing. Okay, so I'm taking cables. Okay, screwing them in. Okay, everything is in there. So now it's a good idea to check if this actually works. So switching back hour. And we can see, oh, maybe you can't, but look at the lamp at the top, it's off. I'm pushing the switch. We have 3 lights light up, and you can see it's yellow now. And now I have the rest of them shining. Okay, so basically it works. And now we go back to the breaker board, switch off the lights again, and now it's time to mount it properly. Okay, so this is the second light switch I mounted that day. I am not showing you the previous one because I actually had a problem. I had to buy longer screws to mount it properly, but in the end everything worked fine, and the process is actually quite easy, like shown in the video. So thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe.